Hello, it is me. Remember the scientific skills you have to use. Well, now there's even more to learn. Using the relationship between time and changes in parameters like shape, direction, location, size, volume, and weight. Give rational descriptions for the data collected. Stating concepts by pointing out the obvious. Stating the factors in an investigation. Giving statements to the relationship of variables and experimenting, which also has its different steps, like planning the experiment, testing the hypothesis, controlling and interpreting data, and making a conclusion. There are no science rules today. Yippee! Are you breathing? Of course you are. What a surprise, am I right? When inhaling, oxygen enters the nose, into the trachea, and into the lungs. Exhaling, on the other hand, is completely different. Carbon dioxide in the body exits the lungs, exits the trachea, and out of the nose it goes. When you inhale, your chest moves upwards, but will move downwards if you exhale. You wanna know why? You really wanna know why? Subscribe for more content like that. The more intense the activity you do, the faster you will breathe, and the more you will sweat. Sweat is a kind of product from excretion, but excretion doesn't just make you sweat. As long as it's a process of removing waste products from the body, it is called excretion, but it's not to be mixed with defecation. Otherwise, the process of removing feces through the anus. Skin excretes sweat, kidneys excrete urine, lungs excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor. All these are excretion. Defecation is just removing the undigested food in the stomach and nothing more. Yes, that sure does hurt, doesn't it? But how do you respond so fast? The punch I just did was a stimulus, a constantly changing environment, while you, my friend, has just responded to an ordinary stimulus. Different light, smell, taste, sound, and touch are all stimuli that we can give responses to. Why do we have such terrifying specialties? To avoid ourselves from being injured, to communicate and receive information, and to save our own lives. Alcohol consumption, drug abusing, and glue sniffing. Glue sniffing. All of which can make your reaction be slower. Subscribe to me. Yes, thank you.